If you're thinking about buying Shorby, there are a few important things you should know before diving in. Shorby positions itself as an easy-to-use link management tool, but how does it compare to others in the space like Linktree or TapBio? Stick around because I'll break down the key points you need to consider, and I'll also share how you can try it for free. Let's get into the first thing, Shorby's simplicity. Compared to other tools, Shorby is incredibly user-friendly. The setup is quick, and creating your personalized page doesn't require any coding or design skills. This makes it great for people who are new to the world of link management or just want something that works without much effort. You can quickly add all your social links, websites, and even integrate your messenger apps. Now, if you've used competitors like Linktree, you know some of those can feel a bit cluttered with too many options. Shorby keeps it clean, which is a huge advantage if you value a minimalist approach. Next thing to note is customization. Shorby offers a good level of customization, especially in its paid plans. You can change your page's design, adjust fonts, and even add custom branding, which is a big plus if you're a business or creator who wants their link page to reflect their brand identity. Now, while Linktree has recently added some more customization features, it's still somewhat limited compared to Shorby's flexibility in design. That said, if you need something more than just a simple link, Shorby is a strong contender. The third thing you should know is Shorby's integration with social media and messengers. It's not just about sharing your links, it's about making it easy for people to get in touch with you. Shorby stands out by allowing you to integrate direct messages from platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram right on your page. If you're an influencer, small business owner, or marketer, this feature makes it easy for people to reach out without having to leave your link page. This level of convenience is one thing that sets Shorby apart from many other link management tools. Now, the fourth thing to consider is Shorby's analytics. Analytics are a game changer when it comes to tracking how your links are performing. With Shorby, you get real-time insights into clicks, views, and even location-based data. While platforms like Linktree offer analytics too, Shorby's are more detailed and offer a deeper dive into your traffic. For marketers and content creators, this can be a vital tool to refine strategies and boost engagement. Next thing is the mobile-friendly design. If your audience primarily accesses your links from mobile, Shorby has you covered. Its responsive design ensures that your page looks good no matter the device. In comparison, while other tools like Tap.bio also have a mobile-friendly design, Shorby's experience is smoother and faster, which can make a big difference when it comes to user retention. The sixth thing I want to touch on is the pricing. Shorby has a free version, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade. The pricing is competitive compared to other players in the market. Shorby's paid plans are affordable, and they provide some solid benefits like advanced customization, deeper analytics, and the ability to remove branding. If you're serious about growing your online presence, the paid plan is definitely worth considering. But remember, it's important to compare it to other tools to make sure it fits your needs and budget. Lastly, there's one feature that sets Shorby apart that you might not find in other link tools: its ability to integrate directly with email marketing software. This is a real game changer for anyone looking to build a business or personal brand. The integration lets you collect leads right through your link page, which is something most competitors don't offer at this level. To sum it up, Shorby is a solid link management tool that is worth considering for anyone looking to simplify their online presence. Whether you're a creator, influencer, or business owner, Shorby provides a balance of ease of use, customization, analytics, and useful integrations. It stands out from its competitors by focusing on simplicity and powerful features that help you manage your links, messages, and more with ease. If you're thinking of trying out Shorby, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits. Trust me, you'll want to test it out to see how it can help streamline your online presence.